In a busy warehouse, speed and consistency is essential. That's where I bring you the Fox FPS-300 Pallet Wrapper. This machine can handle up to 5,000 pounds in weight, so you can feel confident in even your heaviest shipments. Here we have the control center, a very user-friendly touchscreen that allows you to set the turntable speed, the carriage speed, film tension, and many more features that allow you to get the perfect wrap every time. Right now we have everything set up and ready to go. Let's get it started. The pallet dimensions of this machine are up to 55 inches in width, 55 inches in length, and 91 inches in height. The FPS-300 handles a wide range of loads with ease. Its variable speed turntable is adjustable from 0 to 15 revolutions per minute, which allows operators to dial in the perfect balance between speed and containment force. Under typical conditions, you can wrap a skid in about 4 to 6 minutes, achieving steady throughput of up to 10 to 15 loads per hour. This machine comes standard with the Hurricane Thread pre-stretch carriage, factory set to 200% pre-stretch and adjustable up to 250%. This delivers strong, consistent load containment while using significantly less film. Durable, efficient, and easy to operate. The Fox FPS-300 is a proven stretch wrapping solution that performs day in and day out. Contact us today to learn more.